Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Samsung is online and Outlook is installed. This saves time. Once connected, open Outlook and tap Add Account. Enter your email address, then your password when prompted, and complete any 2FA steps. Make sure to allow permissions for calendar and contacts so syncing works. If you use Exchange or work accounts, pick work or school account and accept the organization prompts. Once done, Outlook will begin initial sync and show your inbox within a minute or two. Now you refine how Outlook behaves. Go to Settings, tap your account, and choose Mail Sync Frequency. Push keeps mail current but uses more battery. Next, customize notifications and swipe actions so triage is fast. Set archive or delete on swipe. Make sure calendar and contacts syncing are toggled on if you need them on device. Finally, create a short signature and verify reply from addresses. These steps save you time daily and ensure consistent behavior across apps and sync. Finish by sending a test email and creating a quick calendar event to confirm bidirectional sync. If messages or events don't appear, first toggle the account off and on, then clear the app cache in Settings Apps Outlook. If that fails, remove and re-add the account. This resets server settings. Make sure background data is allowed and battery optimization is excluded for Outlook so sync runs reliably. If you still have issues, contact your admin or check server settings for Exchange or a map specifics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.